What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I'm about to show y'all how I slayed this frontal ponytail with a regular frontal wig. So we're going to start off with the ball cap. I already put the glue down and let it dry completely. So I'm cutting off the excess cap, and then I'm going to apply makeup onto that cap. And for this look, you want to make sure that you secure the wig, and I'm going to sew the back of her wig down. Cause I got big deals and I got little things, got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to. And after that fourth layer has dried, I'm now going to lay the lace down into the glue and then apply an elastic band. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to. Alright, and while her lace is melting down, I'm now going to start styling. So I did pull out pieces in the back and I trimmed them to make them look more natural. And I'm going to start curling them. What you see in me gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let go. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm not so glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I can do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. I don't wanna slap me up, don't wanna fit, right around the world. Alright, and now I'm about to cut her lace off, and then I'm going to pull out my baby hairs and then get back to styling. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, my body, baby. I you do know, but I'll never fall out of love with you. You.
Alright, and for the updo, you want to have it like sleek, but not like a tight ponytail sleek, if I'm making sense. Because this is not a 360 frontal wig, we're going to have some of the hair in the back to create that illusion. And then we are going to curl the ponytail and then finish styling it.
Don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking together, cause we don't know how.
Alright, and after I finish curling her ponytail, I'm now going to pin up my updo. And you can pretty much just get creative with it. You want it to look really natural and messy.
You think you got it, but got it, just don't get it if there's nothing at all. We've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is then what makes love obsession. So why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why, keep that pump, that natural beauty, yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front till you see it from the back, yeah, back, till you see it back, yeah, back, till you see it from the back, yeah, back, till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front till you see it from the back, yeah. You like it thick, you like it fat, yeah. Like it keep on wanting more. You ask me, told you where you at, huh? Tryna squeeze into my true religion, that Celebrate don't wanna say you like I don't buy it with a cellulite. He said the body unbelievable. Can't trust a liver than a Gemini. I keep it juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty. She keep that pump. That natural beauty. Yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back, till you see it back, yeah. Back, till you see it from the back, yeah. Back, till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back.
Bend that ass over, doors, you bring it back. I'm a big dog tryna eat the kitty cat. I'ma slide in the way it fit. I can tell we match. All up on my racks, hella cheese. I don't for rats. Big crib in Hollywood, I don't even that. Come relax, let it attack. Get you wanna act. Take a little with the pop, wipe the pain away. You see, and it's tighter than a virgin, like Madonna say. I love when you give it, and I love when you don't. Hit me with the three stomachs, sometimes you won't. Tell me don't with no is you know. You got it, yeah, you got it, baby. Bust it on the floor.
I keep it juicy, I eat that lunch. She keep that booty. She keep that pump. That natural beauty.
Alright, and now I'm going to touch up her part to make it more defined. And then finish my finishing touches.
He need that rump and need the thighs. He eat that up and in the night. He see that in the dark and in the right. He keep it running like it pump. He need the rump and need the thighs. He eat that up and in the night. could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Yeah, right till you see it right, yeah. Right till you see it from the back. Yeah, right till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back.
Alright, and now we're about to get into the baby hairs. I am now trimming her baby hairs, and then I'm going to curl them and then lay them. Alright, and this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all next week.